So when I think about financial literacy, I think about getting more visibility into what's going on around you and more control. So I don't think of it as just numbers and math, which by the way, I love math, but I don't think of it as sort of numbers for no reason. I think when you get good at understanding how financial systems work, you have more power because you can see, you can look at something and understand, oh, my business is spending too much money on going to restaurants or spending too much money on cars. And that's dangerous for the company. And I can see it because I know how to read this profit and loss sheet, which by the way is not that hard. So don't be scared of those. That is how you can use it as a sort of a lens to see what's happening around you and to be able to make decisions in a way that keeps you in control. Very important, and it feels good.